Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we will demonstrate the installation and setup of a two-gang blind curtain switch. To begin, we will connect the switch to the roller motor. The switch requires a neutral wire, a phase live wire, and the black and brown wires from the motor which control the two movement directions. First, we connect the neutral and phase wires to ensure proper power delivery. Then, we attach the black and brown wires, which determine the up and down movement of the roller. The first two terminals control one direction, while the second two control the other. Next, we connect the neutral and ground wires of the blind. Now that the wiring is complete, we proceed with pairing the switch to the display interface. We navigate to the menu, then Settings, and select Add Wave I/O. A new window appears where we click on Find Devices to scan for available devices. To put the switch into pairing mode, we hold any button for 10 seconds. The switch starts flashing in RGB colors, confirming that it is ready to connect. As soon as the system detects it, we click Add Found Device. At this stage, we can rename the switch, but if we leave it as is, the system will use the default name. Now we select the device type. The options include blind, curtain, or shader, and in this case, we choose blind. We then configure the indicator light settings, setting the active color to blue for better visibility. Finally, we click Save and Continue, followed by Finish, and the switch is successfully added to the system. Now that everything is set up, we proceed with testing. The roller moves downward, then moves upward, confirming that both directions function properly. Additionally, the system works directly via the physical switch, allowing manual operation. When we open the PIERRE application on a smartphone, we see that the blind switch is fully integrated and can be controlled remotely as well. And that's it! The two-gang blind curtain switch is now successfully installed, configured, and integrated into the system. Great job, and thank you for watching this PIERRE Academy tutorial.